Anong inaasahan mo ng mga pagbabago? I mean, anong inaabangan mo pala dito sa mga chairmanships? Are you zoning in on some of the committees that would be crucial over how this Senate fares?
Mm, well, there's definitely going to be changes in terms of committee chairmanships. Yan, Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, and then of course, di ko alam kung sino ang ang mag-head ng ng Appropriations Committee. Pero definitely tawag dito affected yan. Pero I think more than the committees, ako mas interesado ako if the current Senate leadership is going to revive the impeachment of the Vice President.
Correct.
Okay.
Mhm.
Oo,
Kasi ngayon naka-archive siya sa ngayon.
right, that's right. So, alam naman natin ang stand ni Senate President Tito Soto at the very beginning, nung na-elect siya, he's really bent on pushing for the impeachment trial. So, tingnan natin if that's going to be revived. Ako, tingin ko ma-revive yan under his leadership. And
Okay.
magbabago tingin ko yung decisions ng Senate Impeachment Court kung matutuloy on specific issues.